Looking for the perfect freestanding range to complete your kitchen? We've ranked 5 popular models from worst to best, and trust me, the winner might surprise you. Coming in at the bottom of our list is the Festisoul 30-inch electric range. It's a budget option that might work in a pinch, but it's missing quite a few features that today's home cooks expect. This range gives you a basic radiant glass top with 4 burners and a 5 cubic foot oven, enough space for everyday meals. It's simple, straightforward, and includes a safety shutoff. So if you just need a functional stove without all the bells and whistles, this might be it. But let's be honest, it's not built to impress. You won't get true convection, smart connectivity, or even a reliable self-cleaning mode. And with a maximum power output of 3,700 watts across all burners, you might feel the heat. Or not. If you're on a super tight budget and cooking is more of a necessity than a passion, the Festisoul will get the job done. Everyone else should keep watching. By the way, you can find the best prices for all the ranges in this review. Just check the links in the video description below. Next up is the Kenmore 22-96833. It steps things up with a more capable cooktop and true convection. So right off the bat, it's already a better pick for someone who actually enjoys baking or roasting. What's great here is the cooktop versatility. You get multiple zone sizes, including a 3-ring element for simmering or boiling and a dedicated warming zone. The oven is also decently sized at 5.6 cubic feet, and the seamless interior with a hidden bake element makes cleaning a bit easier. Add in true convection and you're baking more evenly right out of the box. But it does have a few limitations. There's no self-cleaning option, just steam clean. And the lack of smart features or Wi-Fi means it can feel a bit dated. And let's face it, Kenmore's support and visibility as a brand just isn't what it used to be. Still, if you want solid cooking performance and don't care about techie extras, the Kenmore is a respectable middle ground choice. And hey, if you're finding this review helpful, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen gear breakdowns just like this. In the third spot is the higher 30-inch electric slide-in range. It brings in modern smart features and a sleek built-in look that'll upgrade the style of any kitchen. Performance-wise, it's well equipped with 4 burners and a max 3,000-watt dual ring element. The oven features convection baking and even special no preheat modes for quick snacks or frozen meals. Plus, the Smart HQ app lets you control the oven remotely, scan barcodes for auto settings, and get notifications right to your phone. Downsides, it only has steam clean, no high temp self-clean mode, and the burner layout is more limited than other models. You'll also want to be precise with your installation since it's a slide-in, not freestanding. For apartment dwellers or tech-savvy home cooks, this is a stylish pick that won't let you down, as long as you don't need 5 burners running all at once. Narrowly missing the top spot is the Empava ProStyle gas range. And wow, does this one pack a punch. It's the only gas model on our list, and if you're a fan of flame cooking, this one's for you. You get 5 burners, including a beastly 18,000 BTU power burner, perfect for stir frying, searing, or rapid boiling. The oven might be on the smaller side at 4.55 cubic feet, but it includes true convection, a hidden bake element, and even steam clean for quick upkeep. Build quality is also impressive, with cast iron grates and a triple layer oven window. Now, it's not smart, and it doesn't have a full self-clean mode, and compared to others in its price range, the oven capacity might feel tight. Still, the performance is top tier if you want serious heat. This one's for passionate home chefs who love cooking with gas and don't need tech distractions in the kitchen. It's strong, stylish, and made to cook. Finally, in our number 1 spot, it's the Samsung 30-inch electric range. This thing checks all the boxes and then some, making it the most well-rounded and powerful option on our list. Let's start with capacity. A massive 6.3 cubic feet. Add in 5 burners, including 2 high wattage dual ring elements, and you've got serious cooking flexibility. The oven has convection, air fry without preheating, and both steam and full self-cleaning modes. On top of that, you get smart control through Wi-Fi and even voice assistant integration. Sure, the air fry mode isn't perfect, and reaching over hot burners to get to rear knobs can be annoying, but these are minor issues in an otherwise top-tier appliance. Samsung nailed the balance of tech, power, and usability here. If you want the best all-in-one cooking solution with both performance and modern features, this is the one to beat. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? All the top freestanding ranges from this review are linked in the description below. Tap like if this helped you out, subscribe for more deep dive reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.